And let me tell anybody who cares to know, I never run for presidential position in order to be a vice president. Never. Never.
That's what people are saying, that because you are not chosen, that you are showing the trace of a bad loser.
You see, first of all, how you know those who are prepared to run the election? Some of them collected presidential form, at the same time collected senatorial form. You know that those people are not serious to run. I never collected for any senatorial form. Even after the vote, people said, come and go for Senate. I said, no, I won't do that. I've already made a commitment that this Senate should be zoned to this area because they've never had it before. I must not be in power. By the grace of God, since 1999, I've been director. I mean, it's not a do or die affair. Now, and again, you know, when you're working as a team with people, sometimes you must listen to them. If I tell you the number of Nigerians that called me to say, listen, please make sure that you take the offer of, I said, offer what? I said, no, I won't do that. I will not. They said, no, it's not for you. It is for our team. Let us also be relevant in the system. That we know that, yes, you don't need it. I said, I don't trust these people. I know them too well. So don't put me to this. The pressure was so much. I said, okay, let you not look as if it's a personal thing. But I told them, but then you will understand that you don't need to trust this